What's going on, y'all? You know what I'm saying? I'm about to do my second pickup as a Turo host. You know what I'm saying? My guest, or my client rather, is doing the drop off. He's dropping off my vehicle, so I'm here to pick it up. You know what I'm saying? So everything looking up, man. You know what I'm saying? It's the vlog. I got wifey holding the camera. She talking about everywhere I go I don't need to, videotape, I guess she's trying to make a joke or whatever, but at the same time, what we all gotta understand as entrepreneurs is this is social media era, so you wanna capture the moment. You wanna walk people through your journey, you know what I'm saying, of you coming up, you becoming successful, and you taking risk, you know what I'm saying, being an entrepreneur. So me being new into the Turo space, this is new to me, but it's definitely a great experience by me not knowing nothing about this business and all that. So it's pretty cool. We're gonna meet with my guest in a minute, and we'll get back with y'all. 100. So we're doing the pickup. I'm finna get the truck from the client, and we're gonna end our trip. First time with Turo, you know what I mean?